Hey everyone, welcome back to English Teacher Channel with Sarah. In today's lesson, we're going to listen to an interesting conversation between two friends, filled with some tricky English words and phrases. After the conversation, we'll break down those difficult words and explain how you can use them in everyday situations. Let's get started.
Hey Lisa, do you have a moment? I need to pick your brain about something.
Sure, what's up?
I'm working on the client presentation, and honestly, I'm in over my head. The project has so many moving parts, and I feel like I'm dropping the ball.
That's understandable. The scope of this project is quite daunting. Have you considered breaking it down into more manageable tasks?
I have, but there's so much ambiguity. Every time I think I've got a handle on it, something new pops up. It's like trying to hit a moving target.
Yeah, projects like these can feel overwhelming, but don't sweat it. You're meticulous, and you always deliver high-quality work. Just take it step by step.
Thanks, I appreciate it. I've been burning the midnight oil to get this done, but I'm still feeling behind the curve.
Don't burn yourself out. It's important to pace yourself. You've got the skills, you just need to keep a clear head.
Yeah, you're right. I just don't want to drop the ball. Anyway, thanks for the pep talk. It's helped me put things in perspective.
Anytime. We're in this together.
Let's break down the difficult words and phrases used in that conversation. Understanding these will help you sound more natural and confident when speaking English. Our first phrase is pick your brain, meaning to ask someone for advice or information about something they know well. Example: I'm working on a new project and would love to pick your brain about it. It is a verb phrase. You can use it informally when you need someone's opinion or knowledge on a topic. In over my head, meaning to be in a situation that is too difficult or beyond one's abilities. Example: I agreed to organize the event, but now I feel like I'm in over my head. Common use. It's typically used to describe feeling overwhelmed in challenging situations. Moving parts, meaning different elements or components of something that are constantly changing or evolving. Example: this project has a lot of moving parts, and we need to keep track of all of them. Usage tip: commonly used to describe complex situations like projects, events, or organizations. Dropping the ball, meaning failing to do something you are responsible for or making a mistake. Example: I dropped the ball by not following up on that email. Common mistake. Don't use this phrase when you mean something intentional. It refers to unintentional mistakes. Daunting, meaning something that is intimidating or seems difficult to deal with. Example: the idea of moving to a new city is daunting. Grammatical usage. Adjective. Used to describe tasks, situations, or challenges that seem overwhelming. Ambiguity, meaning uncertainty or lack of clarity in meaning or direction. Example: there's a lot of ambiguity in the instructions, and I'm not sure what to do. Grammatical usage. Noun. Often used when talking about unclear information or situations. Hitting a moving target. meaning trying to deal with something that is constantly changing, making it difficult to succeed. Example: getting accurate sales predictions in this economy is like hitting a moving target. Grammatical tip: often used metaphorically in business, projects, or tasks that are fluid and unpredictable. Burning the midnight oil, meaning working late into the night or staying up late to finish something. Example: I've been burning the midnight oil trying to meet the deadline. Grammatical usage: idiomatic expression, commonly used to describe staying up late to work or study. Behind the curve, meaning being less advanced or falling behind compared to others. Example: our company is behind the curve when it comes to adopting new technology. Usage tip: this phrase is typically used when discussing progress in comparison to a standard or peers. Pep talk, meaning a short, encouraging speech meant to boost someone's confidence or morale. Example: before the big game, the coach gave the team a pep talk. Grammatical usage: noun, common in informal settings when you want to motivate someone.
That wraps up today's lesson. Now you know how to use these advanced words and phrases in your conversations. Don't forget to practice them in real-life situations to get comfortable with their usage. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you next time.